guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Chons and I typically don't do tutorials, only unboxings, hauls and stuff, but I'm going to attempt to do this today, and it's just gonna be simple, but I really want to do it because American Horror Story is one of my favorite shows, and I'll be doing Rubber Woman. I don't know if anybody's done that, but from season 1 Murder House, Evan Peters' character Tate was Rubber Man also, and he had like this leather suit and everything. So I had this dress, so I'm gonna be doing something that relates to Murder House. So I have my nails red, and I'll be doing black smoky eye and red lip, and probably attempt to do my hair. So, and if you guys have any suggestions for other tutorials, leave them down below and I will try my best to do them. October has started, so I really wanted to start off with some tutorials instead of just doing stupid plain old unboxings. So hopefully you enjoy. I don't do smoky eyes much, so hopefully I do a good job. And I'll be doing kind of like a first impressions of this palette too. If you've seen my BoxyCharm unboxing, you saw that I got that in here. And I'll be using some different palettes also. Let me just show you the Kat Von D Serpentina. It has this color right here that I really want to put on my lid. And then also the Jaclyn Hill Vault palette also had that color right here. What else do I have? And then I just have my concealer palette that I use to cut my crease or set my eyelids. Oh, and I have my little spooky brush basket, and this one has smoky colors also. Let's get started, and I will first with something I usually forget, but since it's Halloween, and if you're gonna do a look like I've mentioned in my last year's stuff, that make sure like your base is good so nothing comes off. So I'm just gonna go in with the concealer and put it on my eyelids, and then out over my eye. Okay, there, now that they are primed. Let's go ahead and do this. So first I want to take something from this palette, probably the colors down below. Gonna get my Beast Mode blender brush from the Jaclyn Hill collection. Hopefully I say the names right. Mixing black and brown. Since I don't do much smoky eyes, I don't know like how to start off, but let's just go ahead and see what I can come up with. Oh, hi Barry. There's some base to start off with. I didn't want to start off pitch black. And this brush, which is my favorite, is this Moda brush, and oh, it's a BMX 430 crease brush. Oh, this brush is so good. I'm gonna take like a brown that's almost black on this brush and just put that, okay, that's pretty dark, kind of on top of the color. Ooh. I just want everything to be blended and smooth. Let me know what you're doing for Halloween. I don't know if I'm doing anything, but I still like to dress up to college and stuff. I don't care if it's like, if I'm 21. Oh my god, I'm 21. I'm so old. But I still love Halloween, and always gonna be my favorite, no matter how old I am. I mean, till the year before last year, I still went trick-or-treating. No shame. Free candy. And I don't know if there's an age limit, but as long as you're dressed up, you should be good to go, you know. Leave like the lid area because I kind of want to do a shimmer since it is Rubber Woman, and I want to give it like a little bit of glam. Let me know if you watch American Horror Story. I need more friends that watch awesome shows like me, but no one does. So yeah, I want to get a little bit of a smaller brush now and go in with, let's just go into this palette and see if I could use, okay, it has this brown right here. Do I need more brown? I don't need more brown. What about this? I'm gonna go into the color All Nighter, which is like that black, but it has a little bit of shimmer. Ooh, that is pigmented. And then I want to put the black on my outer part of my eye for now. Let's see how it looks like. I've heard that this palette is really good, but since I'm not into cool tones, this is the chance that I get to use it, and I'm excited. That on the outside for now. I don't want like a black glob on my eye. I like this side, and then I'm gonna add more to this one. Oh yeah, let me know if you watch the show. Let me know what your favorite season is. I have an unpopular opinion. I really like Hotel. Not a lot of people like that season. And the people that do really like that season. So if you're one of those. Okay. I haven't planned out what I'm doing with this look. I'm just going with the flow, seeing where I need color and adding it. And I want to darken up like the top right here. So I'm going to find a color to do that with. I don't want to go into that black because I want to keep it a little bit lighter. I'm gonna change my brush, going into this one, and it's like precise so it can get up there. Let's see, which color can I use that's not too dark? Maybe this corner one right here, it's like a dark brown. Tapping my brush a little bit inside so I can just darken up everything. There's that. And then I'm gonna go in like with a lighter color to blend everything together. Let's use this brush. I've never used it. It's the Harley Quinn one from Ipsy that everybody was obsessing over, and I'm glad I got it. I'm gonna go in with like a light brown color. Just a little bit of dab. Let's see if this one, oh, this one has a good brown too. Called Swoop, or, okay, so I'm not going for like a dark. I'm going more like a cool, so I'm gonna go with Swoop. A little bit of that. Blend, 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 blend. I'm gonna add something more like a to it. Barry, what are you gonna be for Halloween? I'm gonna work on my lid, and for that I need this brush. It's also from the Jaclyn Hill eye brush collection, and it's this one that I could just pack on shadow with. So I don't need this palette. Let me go in with the Vault palette and see if that shimmer is gonna work, because I know those shimmers sometimes, like, I really want the shimmer to come out but the black is there. So I'm really hoping that I get some of the shimmer. It's on the brush, and I'm gonna pack it on. Okay, I see the little shimmers on my eye now. There it goes. Ooh, lighten it up. Maybe I should do gold, or I don't know. Wow, I really like it. I really want to do like more TV show related stuff, because I feel like that's what I usually do. Not much of movies. Maybe I should do a light lower lash line. I'm not sure. Should I do like a red? Let's see how that'll look. I have a red from the Serpentina one, Blood Milk. Ooh, I actually like that. Okay. And then I want to like smoke it out a little bit at the bottom. So I'm going to get a bigger brush and then just like get a little bit of the shadow and drag it down. I'm going to do my inner corner and stuff, and let's see what I can do. Ooh, this one has like a nice white shimmer. I don't want to do gold. I feel like that won't match. So I'm gonna go in with my brush to do my inner corner and my brow bone. A little bit on my brow bone. There. Bringing a little bit of glam, and then now the inner corner. This color is really nice. Maybe I don't need to put on concealer so I could look dead, you know? I'm gonna do something. I kind of want to add purple that I have, a matte right here. It's called Venom, because I just remembered like in that season Violet, you know, so kind of like a violet color. Let me see if I can add a little bit on top of my eyes. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Okay, so now it's not as black, but it has like a little bit of purple on it too. All right, time for primer. So first I like to just dust away shadow. It's from Dr. Brandt. It's the Luminizer primer. And since I don't use foundation, I just like to prime areas that I put concealer on. Okay, concealer, my trusty Colourpop concealer in Golden 40. This one's the darker one I have. I don't know, I don't want to like have really bright under eyes. I just want to like keep it my natural color almost, even though it's like smoky. So I'm not gonna go too high up with that because I want to leave it like a little messy. I'm actually gonna smoke some down right now too. Brush, I want to go into the darker color just a little bit there. All right, eyes are looking morbid. I want to add black in the middle. Like I want to add something there, so I'm gonna do something really quickly. So I have this loose shadow called Profit that comes in the Serpentina palette. Wow, I look good. And I'm gonna add some, and then if it doesn't go right, then I'll just, you know, add more black. Right here, it's like a little pencil brush. I'm just gonna get some of the shimmer on it and just place that there. It's like a dark green gold color. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more glam there. Leave it black if you want, but I just wanted to do like a little bit of shimmer to make it more glam. And then now time for, what do I do after this? Oh my god, I forget. I'm gonna contour a little bit because why not? I got this in Ipsy and it's the Lisa Frank contour powder. I didn't want to do blush because blush wasn't gonna be, I don't know. Blush is, you know, happy and spring and stuff. And I want to bring blush into this, but I do want to define my cheekbone. Is it already time for highlight? Let me just do my mascara really quickly. I have a couple I want to put on. So first I'm going to do this tartiest one just to kind of open up my eye. Really separates all the lashes too. But it doesn't give me any volume, so I'm going to go in with another one. Hopefully I could take good pictures so I could post on Instagram because I'm tired of posting selfies. If you follow me, I'm sorry, but I rarely post anything else. Like I do want to post like my new makeup and stuff, but I never get the chance to do it. Just a little bit more since I don't wear falsies. I'm sorry. Now some of that is there. I am looking a little bland because highlight. So I got this from the Charm Shop from BoxyCharm. It's in the color Blissful. It's the old packaging. Like I kind of wanted the new one, but it's okay. The new one was gonna get dirty. And this color is really good. Big. I just got this and it's already my M510. Just get some color. And I'm gonna go in with like a more defined brush to do my high points. Oh, girl. This is my favorite highlighting brush. This is my new favorite highlighter. Just a little bit like that. All right. Ooh. Some setting spray. I have, okay, it's not this setting spray. I used to have this, but I put the Cover FX shimmer one in here because, I don't know, something happened to my little sprayer thing, so it wouldn't go. Setting is the important part. I'm really excited for the lips. So I have two colors here. I have the Jeffree Star Wifey, which I'll put first. No, this is a classic red, but since I have some latex vibes going on, I really wanted to put on this gloss from Gerard Cosmetics called Maneater. And it's just gonna like make it glossy and darker because who doesn't want vampy vibes? Ooh. And for my hair, I was thinking I want to like put on some gel and like sleek it back. Don't know how that'll look. But if you like this video, thank you so much for liking it. And if you actually like what I did, then leave it down below. I would like to know your thoughts. My first time attempting a smoky eye and, you know, doing all this crazy things, but it looks really nice. I really like it, and I hope you guys do too. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. If you're unclear about what products I use, ask me and I'll let you know more, but I'll leave everything down below also. Well, I'll try to. No, I won't. And if you do decide to do this look or something closer to American Horror Story, make sure you, I don't know, send it to me on DM on Instagram or something, because I really want to see looks from my favorite shows and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna sleek this back, or I'm just gonna take a few pictures with like my normal hair and then sleek it back, but I will be back if I decide to do something with my hair, and I'll show you then. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I added some gel to my hair to make it more wet looky like, so that's what I did. I hope you guys like this look. This is it in the sunlight. As you can see a little bit of the violet, the gold, the red, these lips, and a bomb highlight. Thank you so much for watching.